In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apify in Zapier. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to connect Apify with thousands of other tools, all without writing code. Start by heading to the Zapier homepage. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your apps and automations. The homepage is your command center in Zapier, and it's where you can discover new integrations and set up time-saving workflows. From the homepage, click Explore Apps. This section is designed to help you find the right tools quickly. It includes a search bar and recommendations, so you don't have to hunt around through menus. In the search bar, type Apify. Make sure you select the official Apify app result that appears. Searching here ensures you land on the correct integration page, where Zapier lists all the available triggers and actions for Apify. Click on Apify from the search results. You'll be taken to the Apify page inside Zapier. This page is useful to skim for a moment. It gives you an overview of what you can automate, common use cases, and which events are supported. Think of it as a directory of everything Zapier and Apify can do together. Next, click Connect Apify to 8,000 plus apps. This button starts the setup flow and opens a Zap template or a blank configuration with Apify selected, depending on your account. You'll see options to pair Apify with popular tools you may already use, such as spreadsheets, communication platforms, or project trackers. If you're prompted to authorize access, follow the secure sign-in flow so Zapier can talk to your Apify account. Now select an event from Apify from your account that you will use. This means choosing the specific trigger or action you want Zapier to handle. For example, you might pick an event that runs an automation in Apify, or you might listen for new results coming from a run. Choose the one that matches your goal. If you're unsure, think about whether you want Apify to start a process or whether you want Zapier to react when Apify finishes something. Pick the event that aligns with that outcome. Once your event is selected, you're ready to continue building your workflow by choosing the app you want to connect next and mapping the fields as needed. Save your work and you're set to automate. That's it. You've located the Apify app in Zapier, opened the integration, and chosen the key event that powers your automation. Thanks for watching and happy automating.